Hello, I'm Omar, and I've been working with the Portal Connector team for the past few years or so. Today, my aim is to help familiarize people with this technology and how they can leverage it to meet their business needs. So, for today's outline, we're going to be talking about what the Portal Connector is, how to install it, connect it to Dynamics 365, how to build pages and forums, and some other features that may be helpful. Here at Sylogist, we offer the Portal Connector, which is a secure and highly performant low-code software that connects and synchronizes your portal site to Dynamics 365. We create portal sites using Sitefinity CMS, and in it, we have built a connector to Dynamics 365, though we intend to add other connection capabilities, such as Business Central. So now I will demo how to install the Portal connector on Sitefinity backend. Here we have the backend of Sitefinity. This is the first page that you will hit when you go to your site name / Sitefinity. So it'll redirect to the dashboard. So what we will do is go to the modules and services under the administration, systems, and then we'll click on modules and services. From here, we'll scroll down to Portal Connector products, and you can see that most of them are already installed. To use the basic functionality of Portal Connector, you will need to install the Portal Connector and the Portal Connector MVC. Once these get installed, it is recommended that you paste your license to access the full features of Portal Connector, including access to additional proprietary products, such as e-commerce, form flow, knowledge base, etc. So let's scroll up to the top. Under Administration, Portal Connector, go to Licensing, and I'll just open that in a new tab. Now scroll back down to the Portal Connector Products and open the new tab. Just give it a minute to load. And then you can see we already have a license here, but you just simply copy and paste your license, agree to terms, and update. The other Portal Connector products may be useful and serve your business needs, such as the e-commerce, form flow, and auditing. So really briefly, the e-commerce module gives you a group of product page widgets, and they help you sync to dynamics of the same related entities. Form flow allows you to create various form paths based on user input, and the auditing module tracks portal site activity, such as form submission, content changes, login and logout activity. As I said, we already have most of the modules installed, but if we wanted to install another one, like the auditing module, all you have to do is click Action and then Install. After the Portal Connector is installed, we'll now connect our site to Dynamics. To do this, we're going to go up to Administration. Under Portal Connector, we'll go to the Configuration page. We have different ways we can connect to Dynamics, including on-premise and client secret. We already have the site configured to connect via client secret. We can generate a client secret on our how-to tutorial. You can see which you can get from visiting Google and searching Portal Connector client secret connection. And this is done and created on Microsoft Entra, and you can see all the steps here. Let's test the connection to ensure that it's working. We'll just click Test Connection, and we see the connection to the CRM is successful. Before we can build a page, we do need to talk about templates, so let's go over to Design and click on Page Templates. Each page we create needs a template. While Sitefinity provides default templates, you will want to customize these templates to make them consistent with your branding. This is done in the file system of your hosted web app under Resource Packages in a folder called Layouts. For example, Demo TPC main is a root template found in the file system. We know this because you can see the path right here. Let's take a brief look at this template. Here's a template we designed using Bootstrap and CSS. we see a header and a footer with some columns that has some branding content in it. Let's go back to the page templates again. We will focus our attention on TPC demo base, which is a template created directly on the Sitefinity CMS, and it is based on the TPC demo main that we just looked at. So we'll click on it and just take a look at how it appears. So we are now on the TPC demo base template, and we can see that it has the same layout as the root template, except for it has some widgets on there, such as the search box, login, logout, a logo, and a navigation. So if we go to home page, which I already have open in this tab, we'll see the same layout and structure. This completes part 1 of our 4-part series discovering Portal Connector. Be sure to check out part 2 on how to create pages and configure page widgets on Portal Connector.